I don't know. Find out. That's gonna explode. Yeah, they have no chance. That's not gonna survive. Damn. What is that liquid or whatever?
I don't think it survived. What do you guys think? What's inside a Jawbreak here? 3, 2, 1.
Has a chance. Whoa, got obliterated. Cool. That should survive. Damn, this anvil is stronger than I thought. That should survive. Really? That was plastic.